So here's just a little bit of a code I made. These are birds flapping in the sky. I asked you guys to please chase them off because they're angry birds, and angry birds should not. I don't want them. I don't want them around. As you can see, there's a little bit of cloudage in the back. Just make you feel like you're up there, chasing off angry birdies. And my birds are going nuts in the background, as you can tell. So if you hear my birds, then I feel like it just adds to the effect. Yeah, look at that. The code actually makes it so that they go the opposite direction, no matter where my mouse comes from. So, lots of fun. Enjoy.